All right, let's take a peek at this word problem. So a common thing that people do now in Minnesota is they make an ice carousel. So they cut the ice in the shape of a circle. So this like gap right here, I'll use a marker here. This is open water, burr. Okay, but then they either use a propeller or someone just uses a foot and it starts to spin slowly so you don't get too dizzy. All right, so we're going to figure out the area of this chunk of ice. It's in the shape of a circle if we know that the radius is 10 feet. Okay, so finding this answer should actually be pretty easy. All right, whatever answer you get, you're going to use this answer here to help you figure out this answer here. Okay, so this is not the answer, but let's just pretend this answer was 500. One person needs 4 square feet of space. So that's kind of like a 2 by 2 chunk, 2 by 2 square. So this would be 4 square feet of space, okay? Because you don't want someone to be like right up in there in your face, touching you. We need a little bit of personal space. So we need to figure out how many of these fit inside of this, okay? So you're either going to multiply or divide. Which one do you think would make the most sense? And then pay careful attention that it says you can't have part of a person. So if your answer ends up being, let's say 7.5, you can't have 7.5 because you can't have half of a person, okay? Because we're trying to figure out how many people fit. The other thing is you have to make sure that they do fit. So you might have to round down, because if we were to round this up to 8, that last person is probably going to be way too close to that edge. And if they're too close to the edge, they're going to fall in that freezing cold water. We do not want that.